Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your whipped cream thicker. Chill the bowl and beaters. Use heavy cream with at least 35% fat and begin whipping at medium speed until soft peaks form. Add a stabilizer such as 1 teaspoon cornstarch or 1 tablespoon powdered sugar to improve body. Finish by chilling whipped cream for 20 minutes to firm and stabilize the texture before serving. Keep your tools and ingredients cold, pick heavy cream with higher fat like 35% or more, and measure stabilizers precisely to avoid a gummy texture. Use a metal bowl and chilled beaters so the cream whips faster and traps more air for volume. Avoid overwhipping by stopping at firm peaks, then gently fold in stabilizers and quick chill for 15 to 30 minutes to let the structure set before serving. Stabilizers help whipped cream hold shape longer, and choices include gelatin, cornstarch, cream cheese, mascarpone, powdered sugar, or instant pudding mix. Bloom gelatin in cold water and dissolve before whisking into warm cream for reliable hold without grit. For a quick method, sift 1 tablespoon cornstarch or 2 tablespoons powdered sugar per cup of cream, whip to firm peaks, and chill to fine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.